Hello there, it's Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the severe weather outlook for June 8th. So what's happening at the moment? We have 3 different areas of probability in the land of tropical cyclones. We'll take a look at the map in just a second. And in the United States, up to as high as a 30% chance of severe storms today. So let's take a look at the map. So over here, in the North Indian Ocean, we've got a medium chance per the JTWC. Over here, similar-ish area to yesterday, we have a low chance of tropical cyclone formation per the JTWC. And over here, we have what could be the future tropical storm Cristina. 50% chance of tropical cyclone formation on this thing, and then 80% in the next 5 days. Per the Meteorological Organization in Mexico, I don't know how to say that, SAMA. Right. With this system, even though it's not officially a tropical cyclone, they're still expecting intense rains and very strong rains, and then winds of, 50 kilometers, and then waves to 3 meters in height, I'm gonna go with. I can't read Spanish, it's true. But yes, so let's take a look at the models for this. So, both of these models are actually a lot less favorable than they were yesterday. Both of them still basically showing something, you know, what might end up being Cristina turning into something. But yesterday, both of them were showing, like, basically a major hurricane. Now, the GFS over here on the right, which is the one that tends to be over-favorable towards hurricanes and stuff, there's actually what looks like could be a subtropical system or something forming out here towards the end of the forecast period. I say subtropical, I think that's where you have it where the winds are outside of the core. Because if you look at the coloring is the winds. The winds aren't really around that area of low pressure. And of course, that is far enough into the future that, you know, that might not happen at all. Especially considering that just yesterday, both of these models were saying major hurricane and they're saying tropical storm. I don't know. So that's why, you know, the far future is very, very, very uncertain. In the United States, here's an overview of the severe thunderstorm threat for the next few days. And here's what's happening at this very moment. 28 warnings. One of them is a tornado warning over here. And then 25 warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, a couple of special marine warnings out there. And yeah, that is what is happening. So Colorado, there was a whole bunch. All of basically what I believe is this current line. Tornado warnings all along it. It is madness, absolute madness. So in general today, here's the map showing the probability of a tornado. It's a 5% chance for this area and this area over here. Wind chance, which would be the probability of winds 58 miles per hour and greater. 30% chance up here, 15% over there. And then the hail map has the black hatched area, so we have a 15% chance for 1 inch or larger hail. And then in the black hatched area is where there's the increased threat that the hail that falls will be 2 inches or larger. Tomorrow, again with the black hatched area, so as high as a 15% chance for severe weather. And then this threat could be for, we'll find out officially tomorrow, but it could be for significant winds, significant hail, or significant tornadoes. But based on what's generally been happening, it's probably significant hail. But obviously, if you're in that affected area, tune in and pay attention. Pay attention, find out what's going to happen. These are web pages or something, yes, for more information. And that is it for today, and have fun.